I'm in Tornos' showroom in Colville in the UK. I'm here to look at this new machine. This is a Swiss DT26. So if you move closer to the machine, let's have a look at the layout inside and what the machine is capable of. Firstly, we'll start with working on the back spindle. Here we have tools. We have 4 tool stations. These can either be static or driven tools. When we then look at the main spindle or above the main spindle, we have our tool holders there, or we have our tool stations there, which are firstly static, and then next to that we have some driven tools, and then further at the back of the machine we have another tool station which has actually 8 working tools there, or 8 stations there. Now the beauty of this machine, one of the reasons it was introduced is it is an entry-level sliding head lathe. It's obviously got a sub-spindle and it's an inch bar capacity, but one of the big features to point out, one of the reasons for doing this video, is that this machine is about flexibility and versatility. Here you can move the tools that we have or we've seen inside the machine. You can move the static tools to where the driven tools are, and vice versa. It gives you total flexibility. Why would you want that? Well, if you're looking at different component manufacture, if you're varying the parts that you machine on a daily basis or a weekly basis and you need flexibility, you're not sure about going for a sliding head lathe because maybe you use a fixed head machine, this kind of bridges the gap, because you can also use this as for non-guide bush machining. And to change over from guide bush machining to non-guide bush takes less than 20 minutes, would you believe? And we're going to see that in action in a minute. So the machine is aimed at various marketplaces, subcontract engineers, OEMs, companies that are looking at getting a very cost-effective sliding head machining solution. It is very application driven, but you are guaranteed with this machine a lot of versatility. You can maneuver the tools around, you can change setups depending on the types of components that come through your door on a day-to-day basis. And as I've said already, you can go from guide bush machining to non-guide bush machining in less than 20 minutes. There's not many machines out there that you can do that without actually moving the bar feed. It's going to be a popular seller for Tornos here. This is the DT26. Let's see it cutting, and then let's see the changeover from guide bush to non-guide bush.